New Zealand's drunk driving problem isn't fixed. Road deaths involving a driver over the alcohol limit are up 77% since 2014. Last year, they cost 85 lives. Over the same period, the annual number of alcohol tests of drivers have dropped 56%, from 3 million down to 1.3 million. Alcohol is far from the only issue. Annual deaths involving a driver found to have drugs in their system have climbed from 18 to 100 over the last 5 years. More action is needed to stop these deaths, and that is why the AA is calling on the next government to lift alcohol testing numbers back up to their previous levels and introduce roadside drug testing as soon as possible. This is one of the 12 election calls that the AA is making to deliver better, safer, cleaner transport.